So Popcorn over there is enjoying the heater. Yay! She's like, yeah, this is for me. I'm liking this warmth. It's not that cold outside today, but she's liking it. And Angel over here on the left, I don't know what she's doing. Angel. 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 Oh, she's biting the little string on here. Angel. Angel. Okay. I know that parakeets like chewing things. That's just a part of their personality. With all these toys in here, you would think this is why I had these seed sticks so they can chew on these. But you would think that Angel would pick her little chew toys over here. I mean, her chew toys. Look at this. That's another chew toy right there. That yellow, green, and pink chewing balls. Her chewing Converse sneakers. There's another chew stick. They're called seed sticks. You would think she would chew on all this other stuff, but no. While Popcorn is over there by the birdie space heater, Angel's chewing on on materials. She probably likes it. Maybe it suits her. I don't know. I'm new to birds. I'm a new bird mom, so I don't know. Maybe she finds comfort in doing that chewing on that string. I don't know. It's kind of funny though. Angel. 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 I don't get it. Okay, well, you can continue and enjoy doing that, but I just hope she don't pull it off and swallow it. See, now I'm starting to think about it. It seems like she's just licking it. You see? Angel. Okay. Alright, let's move on to Popcorn. And the space heater. Well, the bird is called a bird cage heater from Amazon. Ooh, look at her. Look at Popcorn. She's liking that. Yeah, baby, I'm talking about you. Look at how relaxed you are. Uh-oh. Whoa. Look how relaxed you are, baby. Yeah, you're liking that bird's cage heater over there, see? I'm glad you like it, Popcorn. I'm so glad, baby. Okay, we're going to clean the cage. You're going to take your little nap. I'm going to give you some strawberries and spinach. And then we're going to clean the cage. Okay? She's like, Mother, just let me enjoy this nice warmth from this bird cage heater. Okay, Popcorn. Okay. So cute. Mwah. Okay, so there they go. And yeah, this is Saturday so far. Angel chewing on her little string. But you know what? As long as she doesn't swallow it, I don't see her trying to bite it off. I just see her lick, it's like a licking motion.